Namaskaram to Sir Vishnu Prasad Hemba and the minister also. This is Assam is a Kamarupa. This is called Kamarupa. This is Shonitapura. This is a great. It has a great history of cultural activities of India. In art, dance and music history also this is a great place because our ancient treatise, dance treatise, Natya Shastra of Bharata Muni, it was constructed before Christ, 200 or 300 years old it is. Almost 2,500 years old it is. He mentioned this Shonitapura and dance of Banasura's daughter Usha, who was Krishna's grandson's wife.